What's up guys? Today I want to share with you my latest project, which is my personal vehicle, which is a 2010 Dodge Ram. And the plan is to paint this chrome bumper. As you can see right here, the clear coat is peeling on both of the fenders and I have some damage on the doors. So I'm going to show you guys right here. I also have a big hit right here. I don't know if it was a rock or something. And right here on this door, it looks like a stomach. If you guys could see right there, that big old dent, it looks like somebody kicked it or something. I don't know exactly what happened, but I'm gonna repair that and might as well blend it with the fender so it can match with the new freshly painted chrome bumper. I'm gonna paint them red so it could all look good, uniform, you know. And here's the other fender. I don't know what happened there. I think it's previous paint. That's why I started peeling like that. And that's what I'm gonna do, is gonna correct all that so it could look nice and fresh. And I think possibly sell it because I want to get something newer. And here's my rear bumper. I did get rear-ended a few years back, and the rear bumper is chrome, but I was able to get my hands on the blue one, so all I'm gonna do is scuff and shoot. Just spray the red paint right over it. Right here I have all the bumper taken apart. I have the fog lamps and the fog lamp brackets from the front bumper. So this is what all this big old mess is in the back. And the headlamps, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit them with the 600 grit and then the 800 grit, and then I think I'm going to clear them, but hopefully it'll fix that. But I'm sure it'll make them look better than what they do now. So this is the original chrome bumper. As you can see, it's all dented. It's not even straight anymore. I got rear-ended by the Toyota, and then older Toyota hit that one. I'll show you guys some video clips right now of how it happened. So this is my replacement bumper. As you guys can see, it's blue. I started scuffing it, but I got lazy, so it does have a little dent, which I'm gonna fix right there. It's not too big. I'm gonna throw some Bondo on it and this should be fine. And here's the front chrome bumper. I'm gonna hit it with 80 grit as much as I can until it doesn't shine anymore. And then I'm gonna throw some adhesion promoter and some primer, and then I'm gonna throw on the base. And this is the upper cover. I think it's called filler cover, something like that. As you guys can see, the clear is also failing, so I'm gonna repair that. I'm gonna spray some fresh paint. I'm gonna scuff it down. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to watch more content like this, it's on the screen. Pick any video you like. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends and family, and I will see you guys for the next video.